In science and engineering, graphs can be used to represent relationships between two quantities. Straight lines show that the rate of change of two quantities, x and y, is constant. The equation of a straight line is in the form of y equals mx plus c. In the equation, m represents the gradient of the line and c represents the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis, and at that point, the value of x equals to 0. The gradient of a line can be positive or negative. If positive, the line will slope upwards, and as x increases, y also increases. If the gradient of the line is negative, the line will slope downwards, and in this case, as x increases, y will decrease. The gradient can be calculated by dividing the change in y by the change in x. This is equivalent to using the equation m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, where x1, y1 and x2, y2 are two different points on the straight line. To find the equation of a straight line, you can use this formula, y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. You can use this when you know the coordinates of a point x1, y1 and the gradient of the line m. Here is an example. If you're given the point minus 2, 2 and the gradient half, you simply just sub in these values. So y minus 2 equals half x minus minus 2, which becomes plus 2. Y minus 2 equals half x plus 1 by multiplying out the brackets, and then adding 2 on both sides becomes y equals half x plus 3. And here you have the equation of the line. Lastly, two parallel lines will have the same gradient, so therefore m1 will equal to m2. And if two lines are perpendicular, then the product of their two gradients will equal minus 1. So m1 times m2 will equal minus 1.